Hello everyone. We are staying at Hotel Fontenot. It is a Kimpton series IHG property. We are in New Orleans, Louisiana. We're staying in room 1503. We're going to give you a room tour. This is a newly renovated hotel. As you can see, it's quite spacious right off the bat. You have a closet immediately to your left. Let me show you some interesting things here. This drawer does pull out. You could put any incidentals, anything you want to put there. They do have your ice bucket and 2 glasses. And I love this little stand that it's on. It's really cute and convenient. If you open up this top cabinet, there is your safe. Open up the closet doors and they will reveal you have, of course, your hangers. They also have the soft hangers for your delicate items. They have 2 robes. They provide you with a umbrella and a flashlight and a yoga mat. Have not seen that. And then this also has additional storage in it as well. That is your hair dryer. And there is a luggage rack in the back as well. It looks like you have some storage above also. There's a cute little table and chair right here for you, and a nice full-length mirror, and it's lighted. You have this lovely long desk here with an additional chair. Additional storage here for you. Nice size TV. Again, more storage. You do have USBs and outlets here right on the desk. Cute little lamp. A large standing lamp right here. This room comes with 2 queen size beds, and I like the little footstool at the bottom of each. Then you have a little cute little clock and a little sound system right there for you. Turn those knobs and they will turn on your lights for you. We're going to enter the bathroom. And I love this sink and love the large size mirror. It's really, really pretty. Now, not a ton of storage right here for you, but it's very cute. Here you go with your hair dryer here. You can hang items, put items on the shelf. Here you have your toilet. There is no door to block this off at all, so just keep that in mind. And you have your nice shower. Normally, I'm not a fan of the shower curtains, but this shower is quite lovely. And they do have products here for you to use. It's a very large room. Plenty of room for my little family of 4. And then we are on the 15th floor, and you can see all of downtown New Orleans. You can see the line for Mother's Restaurant, which is always busy. And there's the full room view. I think we're going to enjoy staying in this room.